That's trash. On fucking hard too.
We're fucking dead.
This is what you wanted to do.
No. I don't
You want to go all fucking random.
Yeah, but I wasn't ready to play this.
It's fine. Why are you scared?
Yeah.
Why? Why are you scared, bro?
It's a fucking scary game. And we haven't played this in how long?
It's been a while.
Terrifying. Oh yeah, I'm fucking screwed.
He's by me already.
Hey dude, you're me! You're my character.
And you're not me.
You gotta be careful.
Holy shit.
Have no fear while fighting the endless struggle. Don't fear death. Embrace life.
Well, that just scared the fuck out of me, bro. Not gonna lie to you.
Wait, what happened? Wait, what?
That scared the fuck out of me, bro.
Oh, fucking awesome. I like how you just got done saying he's right by you, and then you fucking come to me.
I heard a noise by me.
Over here.
Over here.
I'm gonna take it
So
actually.
fucking loud. Go ahead.
Over here.
Over here.
Over
Over
here.
here. Over here.
Over here.
Over here.
Over here. Over here. Over here.
I know how it works. I understand the glyphs. I'll tell
Who
you
that
how
over
to
here?
do it. Let's
God
do
damn
this
that
now.
guy.
Oh, who died right here?
Probably me.
You did.
Damn,
Fucking
2018.
5 years ago. Holy shit.
Holy fuck.
Hello.
Over here.
I feel like it might be right? No? I don't know.
Sounds like it might be.
Over here.
Over here.
I think someone came here first. We found some old equipment. It seems some things were still working.
Who died right here? Oh, Chase.
Over here.
I like how each death zone has like a specific like item from the character. Oh shit, that just spawned.
Oh.
Like, have you ever noticed that?
Yeah.
Over here.
The sound of the stone building.
Yeah.
Winding the stone. The sounds of bones breaking.
I'm out.
Hey.
I'm at half battery life.
Yeah, well, that was my first battery. I picked
Over
up.
here.
I don't know, I was just saying. But...
Over here.
Over here.
Over here.
Over here.
Over here. Over here.
Oh, who died right here? Yeah.
Shane did 2 years ago.
Yeah, Kyle died last year.
Yeah, died by you.
Oh, that's probably when we were doing the special.
Yeah.
Over here.
There are some unique ingredients in the pharmacy. How did they obtain them? What did they plan to use them?
Why should she not disappear?
Because it doesn't go away right away. You should know that, Kenny. Keegan died right here. Yeah, why'd you think she would go away?
I mean, because usually she would have been gone by now, but she was chasing me for a while after we found it.
She also has to be like super close for it to just disappear.
Over here.
Over here.
Down there. Do you need it?
Yeah, I might have.
Okay, so my battery drains so much faster than yours. Cause mine's already at mine's less than half now too.
Watch behind you.
Uh-oh.
Get out of here. I lost my sanity.
I'm gonna fucking die.
Only 2 more to go. One's super close.
Wisdom isn't around for a while. Then we may deserve
Playing this game in black and
We all
white.
may deserve this.
This way.
Put down. Oh, I might be dead. Should say cover me. Oh, I see it. In the next room. The letters.
Yeah, I killed Chase.
Alright, we need AZF. I'm slowing her down. Okay, she's gone. AZF. I got A. I got Z. Alright, we're really close to it. Careful. Why are you smashing? Slow the fuck down.
Oh, it's literally in the room we were just in. Safe. Oh. Despawn, I'm gonna fucking die probably.
Killing me, bro. I could take at least another hit.
I like how he went for the skip button.
Fine, I'll just take it. Alright, well, guaranteed GG's.
Woo!
Go! Your lights suck.
Yeah, yeah.
Immediately, right off the rip. a smartphone as my flashlight.
Without difficulties, there's no adventure or journalism.
I do wish I could unlock stuff.
Exploration on it is fucking so good. Battery life is really good too. Alright, you ready for another?
I'm gonna guess.
Bro, you seem so unhappy.
Woo!
Have the same fucking flashlight. Oh, Crapple died here by me.
Battery.
Over here.
Why is there 3 batteries in here?
Why am I so fast? I feel like I'm fast. Am I the fast chick? I am, huh?
Yeah, but the other version of her. Like, you're not wearing headphones or anything. You also got rain boots on. How the fuck you fast in rain boots?
Like this.
Oh yeah, like this.
So you report this. What is this?
Fuck, we get out of here. Wow. Not that long ago.
Over here. Over here.
I'll drop him for you if anything. Holy shit, motherfucker! Oh my fucking god, dude! I fucking. Oh, really? How'd you get caught?
Because I got stuck on a fucking chair.
Oh my god.
Who did I right here?
You did by Chase.
Damn it. You must have been cheating.
Look. Here, bro. I know your sanity is down.
Shit, big dog.
I died by Shane 5 years ago. Other side.
You can't go through that way.
Talking about, bro.
Can't go through this way.
She's beautiful, but that trait gives me
So
chills.
let's go back. Oh, don't go that way. Want to stun you, I 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 want to stun you. Oh, he's raising something.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Ah! That's not good. What kind of fucking hallway is this?
Hello?
I can see all the bunch of items in
Over
this
here.
candy bar, right? And there's like
Yeah, bro,
a,
that's your abilities.
and there's incense.
Go get them.
Over here.
Just don't know how to get there.
It's in the
Batteries
tunnel.
almost dead. Oh, let's go. Ah, so much better.
It's all right.
I'm gone.
Alright, well. Might as well just get the
Over
thing.
here. Over here. Over here.
Back the
Over
other
here.
way.
I'm gone.
Over here.
There you go.
Over
That's
here.
all you, bro.
Was the door closed before? None of my keys seem to work.
There's a
Did I
totem
miss something?
over here. Where'd you go?
Right next to you.
How do we? It's in the fucking tunnels.
Ow, bro. We were just there.
Yeah, but we didn't go this way.
Over here. Cover me. Cover me. Cover me. Cover me.
I think I walked faster than you.
Over here.
Oh wait, I need this.
Psych! Woo! Oh, I got you, bro. I stunned his ass. Holy fuck. Keep going. I'll slow him down with the flare, glow stick.
Fucking killed him. This is a
Yeah,
bitch.
he didn't like it.
Over here. Over here. Over here. Over here.
The glass of wine near the fireplace. Feeling drowsy.
Fuck is this? Well, I don't remember this.
You remember? I remember this area.
Oh, now all of a sudden I remember it. I see him. I see him. I'm running this way. It's on the other side of the wall. Your scream scared me, bro.
Like in the game or in real life?
The game. Like genuine as fuck.
Over here. Over here.
Where? I don't even know where it's at.
Over here. Over here.
Thank God I brought
Not fair, I can't run.
This place is filled with dangerous
There's another statue over here.
Over here. Over here.
What does the transmitter do?
Cover me.
What does the
Cover me.
You
transmitter
know where
do?
Cover
the
me.
next clue is.
So after we find it, I should. Oh.
Holy shit.
I don't even fucking see it. Oh, it's this way.
I'll get caught again.
Over here.
Yeah, I found incense.
So do I.
Just go get it, bro. I'll meet up with you.
Well, I don't want to get too far away.
I know where the monster's at. He's right behind us.
Where we
My
get
flashlight's-
hit? Oh god.
He's far away, bro.
He's right here around the door. Oh, stop it.
Get out of there! I can't see! He's far away, we're good, bro.
Okay, we gotta go back this way though. Who died right here? Shane? You wrecked, nerd. Oh, it's gone now, I can't see it. But it was this way.
Oh, look, it's on the other side.
Over here.
I need that, dude. My thing's at 0.
My life's at 0.
Yeah. Damn. I'm one call away from being dead. Next to
Over
you.
here.
Okay, I'll juke him around the thing. The thing. Fucking bitch. Yeah, it worked. I was freaking out, dude. The hairs on my body are
Over here. Over here.
Where is it?
Over here.
Where is it?
Over here.
The Terran lady was right.
Can't see.
Deep transformation.
Over
I
here.
need this. Oh, God. I said this game wouldn't be fucking scary to play again, dude.
There's a flashbang!
Over here.
Go ahead. Oh, you. Or
Oh,
far.
yeah, but
Yeah, go get the battery. Where the fuck are you?
In the battery. Oh! Oh god, fucking. He popped
I'm
up on my
dead, dude,
screen.
because you're looking at me.
It's not my
I gotta
fault.
go.
What?
Where do we gotta go?
Oh. Far this way? It's red. We're fucked. I don't know if we should go up or.
Fuck it.
Shit.
Run.
Oh shit, I'm fucking dead.
Great, dude. I don't like being alone.
Sorry, dude, you got a flashlight. I got a flashbang.
I do got a flashlight, thank you. I hear him growling. Fuck out of here. He didn't die. He didn't die.
That's bullshit.
I looked at him. I lost my fucking sanity. It's fucking hard. I hate that map.
Yeah, that fucking sucks. Are we still doing this or what?